Canada unveils major new PR pathway for doctors plus full list of eligible physician NOC codes. Canada just announced one of the biggest immigration changes for internationally trained doctors, and if you're a physician already working in Canada, this update could completely transform your PR journey. Today, we're breaking down two major developments. IRCC's brand new Express Entry category exclusively for physicians with Canadian work experience, and the full list of eligible occupations, including specialists and general practitioners, who now have a streamlined path to permanent residence. Let's start with the major federal announcement. IRCC's new PR pathway for doctors. On 8 December, Immigration Minister Lena Mettledge-Diab introduced three major immigration measures designed to help more doctors settle permanently in Canada. These changes are aimed at fixing long-standing gaps in Canada's healthcare system, and they directly benefit physicians already contributing to Canadian communities. A new Express Entry category for physicians. IRCC is launching a dedicated Express Entry category called Physicians with Canadian Work Experience. To qualify, candidates must have 12 months of continuous full-time Canadian work experience or equivalent part-time, gained within the last 3 years, in one eligible occupation. This is huge because category-based draws often feature much lower CRS cutoffs, meaning doctors who meet the criteria could finally see faster PR approvals. The first draws are expected in early 2026, and IRCC encourages eligible physicians to update their Express Entry profiles right away. 5,000 reserved PR admissions for provinces. Canada is also reserving 5,000 additional permanent resident spots exclusively for provinces to nominate licensed doctors with job offers. These spaces are on top of regular provincial quotas, giving provinces a massive new tool to recruit and retain practice-ready physicians. 14-day work permit processing for nominated doctors. And to make things even easier, physicians nominated by a province will get expedited work permit processing, just 14 days. This is a dramatic improvement from current processing times, which often take several months. New Express Entry Physician category. Full eligibility plus occupation list. Alongside these federal changes, IRCC also revealed exactly which medical occupations will be eligible for the new Express Entry Physician category. Only 3 NOC codes qualify, but each includes a wide range of medical specialties. Eligible occupations under the new category. General practitioners and family physicians, NOC 31102. This includes family physicians, general practitioners, general practice residents, and medical doctors performing frontline primary care duties. Specialists in surgery, NOC 31101. This covers a broad list of surgical experts, such as neurosurgeons, orthopedic surgeons, OB-GYNs, pediatric surgeons, thoracic and vascular surgeons, ophthalmologists, ENT surgeons, urologists. These professionals must have performed typical surgical assessments, procedures, and follow-up care. Specialists in clinical and laboratory medicine, NOC 31100. This group includes dozens of high-demand specialists, dermatologists, pediatricians, psychiatrists, emergency physicians, neurologists, cardiologists, radiologists, pathologists, hematologists, medical microbiologists, oncologists, and many more. All must have performed core diagnostic, treatment, consulting, or laboratory duties associated with their field. How to check if you qualify? To confirm your eligibility, search your occupation on the official NOC website. Check that your duties match most of the main duties listed. Ensure your Canadian work experience is 12 months continuous and falls within the last 3 years. Even if you don't qualify under this new category, you could still be eligible under IRCC's broader Healthcare and Social Services category, which requires only 6 months of experience and allows work completed abroad. How this new category differs from the existing healthcare category. Here's a quick comparison of the two categories. Criteria. Work experience, where experience must be gained. Number of occupations. Draw priority. Physicians with Canadian experience. 12 months continuous. Canada only. 3. Expected lower CRS. Healthcare and Social Services category. 6 months continuous. Canada or abroad. 37. Depends on IRCC priorities. This clearly shows the new category is much more targeted, but also much more rewarding for doctors already contributing to Canadian healthcare. Conclusion. These dual announcements represent one of the biggest shifts in physician immigration policy in years. With a brand new express entry category, fast-track work permits, and thousands of extra PR spots reserved for provinces, internationally trained doctors have more support than ever before. If you're a physician working in Canada, this could be the moment that finally accelerates your journey toward permanent residency. This is the end of today's video update. We hope you found it helpful. Thank you for watching. And if you enjoyed the video, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest Canada immigration news.